Being a safety coordinator, my job is to look out for the people, especially right here at home, Old Halifax Road West. So I'm out here with the can of paint because I'll be in bed lying at night and all I hear is boom, 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 boom. These people cannot drive around this pothole. So maybe, if I do this, it might prevent some preventative maintenance on their vehicle and one less pothole for them to hit. As you can see, I have addressed the situation. Oh, looks like some wheels were doing some friction movement here on the road. Oh, this is a big one. This got water in it. Oh, I ain't gonna have enough paint for this one. Holy. I didn't realize how much deterioration has happened. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They should be able to see this in the rain or the dark. Especially at nighttime. The headlights should illuminate really well off of this orange. Let me see it again. Boom, 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 boom. And I put an S on this one. That's ELANMAN's safety tip of the week. We're gonna go check on the potholes 24 hours later and see what the orange looks like. Look at Uncle Philly had the spray balm out. He said, I think I'm gonna paint that yellow. I think that looked pretty good. Got all my tires painted up. Pinterest. Filling his Pinterest. So, as you can see, this was fresh orange last night. We have had some vehicles hitting it, but there's pretty minimal damage done to the paint. Let's go check the other one out. Let's see. Oh. Well, we still got the E. We still got the S. Well, a little bit of it has been worn off there. Oh, we got some rubber. That's when you know they got her. Went down the road. Hey, neighbor. And he avoided the pothole. ELANMAN safety tip of the week. Happy trails, friends. Remember, watch out for the potholes. They're there. You'll blow ball joints or blow tires. You don't want that to happen. Happy trails. Uh-oh. We got a big dump truck coming up the road. Hey friends, this is like take 10. If you thought potholes and preventative maintenance, take 11. Hey friends, take 12. Hey friends, if you thought this video on potholes and preventative maintenance was useful to you in some way, form, or another, then comment on the video or like below. But I gotta get this tractor going for right now. Thanks friends, happy trails. Your boy ELANMAN gotta get it running. She ain't got no foot throttle, she's all hands.